endurance and the muscle mass. Okay, so face a partner, everyone, and touch their triceps. Remember, triceps is located here, okay? Dili mao. Dili lang triceps. Dili lang triceps. Inside na ang mga cells sa triceps. Inside na yung mga cells, triceps. Dapat ka? So this types of exercises can build up your triceps. First, let's do. Okay. But before we start, ginabalik-balik na dyan din na kung before ta mag-start of exercise, kailangan ta mag-warm up. Yes! Kailangan ta mag-warm up for us para ma-ready atong body. Para ma-ready atong body kung mag-execute ng mga exercises. Proper form para ma-avoid ang injuries. Controlled movements. Dapat control para dili ta ma-bughat. Then appropriate weight. Press ako gamay man ko. Kung saan appropriate weight ako. Katong dangor, tong gamay. Gamay. So, para kung mag-exercise na, kailangan dyan ang appropriate weight para kung mag-weight tag bugat, dili ta ma breathing. Kailangan ko na di ba kung mag-exercise na kay importante jud kaya ng breathing para dili ta ma-short of breath kung kapuyod ta and dili ta makuyapan tayon. Listen to your body and rest. Of course, this is very important. Kung dili na kaya, unsay buhaton? Tama na, mag-rest na ka. Our first exercises is dumbbell one-arm triceps extension. It is extended dumbbell, so like dumbbell today.
Paano sila sa bawang sa iyo?
Dili mo. Okay, dalag bati. Sige. In doing dumbbell one-arm triceps extension, ibutang sa nimo siya dire sa imuhang shoulder before i-up. Butang sa shoulder and then slowly up, and then ibutang nimo ang dumbbell sa likod, slowly, and then balik up. Muna ang dumbbell extension. Okay, if you want to build your triceps, actually, buhat ko na sa balay. Sa pikas sa pod, gibuhat ko na sa balay. It is very effective kay naay gamay. Yan ang buhat sa ako. Next is dumbbell kickback. When doing dumbbell kickback, play. In dumbbell kickback, extended arm back with dumbbell squeezing triceps. So dumbbell kickback is you slowly bend your knees, nakaana mo, slowly bend your knees, and kaning dumbbell is butan ninyo siya dire, ana ninyo, mura siya i-kickback ninyo ang dumbbell god. Once to try. Stephanie, dali. For girls who wants to build your triceps, done. Okay, in doing dumbbell kickback, slowly bend. Bend straight your back, straightening your back, slowly bend. Then put on your dumbbell, then you kick back. Mana yung example sa dumbbell kickback. contracting triceps. Actually, this press down is kana mabuhat na din siya sa gym. Kay kana ganing pang-ana. Iginaanam ko na ginadaw. Dili ma-play ang video. Kaya wala may alternative ani. So, yan na lang ninyo kung magato mo sa gym. Pakita mo dito, kanang pressing na sa likod. And then, i-down na rin. Next is bench dips. Kani mabuhat ni sa balay, bisan asa basta ko na ay bench. It is lower body using triceps supporting on bench. Kani pagbuhat sa bench kay murag iingana ra ganin ninyo yung kamot and then mo slat mo gamay tapos ana lang ninyo. Yan na good. Oh, slat dili siya likod basta bench dips. Wow. Next is pull-ups. Oh, boys! Familiar ka yung pull-ups, right? Isa nag-pull up dire.
Ako.
Oh, pull-ups is a full body up using back and biceps. But of course, ginakuan din siya. Ang pull-ups actually is overall, makakuan siya sa itong core. Makakuan po siya sa itong biceps and triceps. Next is, kung kanang kuan na kayo sa pull-ups, pwede na kayo magigani, oh. Like, makaya na ninyo iputanan ninyong lawas. Kaya, pwede na mapulatan ninyong lawas o monkey bars o maka-monkey mo. Kung kuan na ninyo, master na ninyo ang pull-ups. Next is push-up. Lahi ang pull-up o ang push-up. Push-ups is a push body up using chest and shoulder and triceps. Okay, who wants to perform? Eljan. Perform push-up. Gamay lang. Diba kung po na mo report?
Gamay lang, mga 30 minutes.
Diba? Tama na. Mato. Ingatong push-up, okay? Kanang pamilya naman ka sa itong push-up. But ang sa babae, itong tuhod, right? Who wants to try? Stephanie. Dali. Gamay lang. Muna ang sa babae na push up. Diba nag-cross ang legs? Nag-cross ang legs. And then, slowly, cross ang legs. Tapos, straight ang slantly. And then, push up. Push. Wow! Yes, I'm applause. Bilis na tumagal. And of course, kaning katong mga exercises na mga benefits. And one of the benefits is increased strength and our muscle mass, improve functional fitness, enhance athletic performance, injury prevention, and improve our posture. Sige, kami, I have a question. What sports are related when I'm doing resistance training, specifically in triceps? Examples. Swimming, di ba? Swimming ka, kailangan na ito atong kamot, ng triceps, isa pa. Tennis, o baseball, dagan kayo. Volleyball.
Boxing.
Boxing, kaya na. And for beginners, sa katong mga tanan na exercises, for beginners, you should start with 2 to 3 sets and 8 to 12 reps. Sa intermediate ka nang okay na sa ila ang kanamangaya na nila ang 2 to 3 sets hanggang 8 to 12 reps kay mo proceed sila sa 3 to 4 sets and 8 to 15 reps. And kanang kaya na jud kayo nila mo proceed sila sa advance mga 3 to 5 sets potentially with varying repetitions changes to 6 to 12. And of course, the rest is very important. Pag-oman niyo tanong execute atong or every reps or every sets kay mag-rest mo 60 to 90 seconds and rest between sets. And gani pag makuha jud ninyo tutanan kanang with kanang consistency kanang kaluna jud ninyo ginabuhat may ngani yung triceps. Gani. Si Angela mo. Diba, may galing triceps. Next is, and that's all.